This is the second part of our previous lesson. In this lesson, I will show you how we can upload our clean data into Power BI desktop. As I have told you that we were working in the edit mode or Power Query mode, we were cleaning our data. Our data is now cleaned, and I will show you how we can import it. So one more thing, that whatever functions we have performed here in order to make our data clean, you can see up in here on the right hand side in applied steps. If you want to delete any of these functions, so just click on this cross, it will delete. So go to the home tab. My data is ready to import into the Power BI desktop. In home tab, this is the close group. Open this arrow, then you will see close and apply, apply and close. Close means close, apply means it will apply only. We have to close and apply both. So click here. Now our data will, clean data will transfer into our Power BI desktop from the edit mode. So compared to Excel, it is fast, but again, it will take a little bit time. So we will see that all our fields name will appear here. Just close it. So see, we have country, GDP, scale, and so on, but you will see where is the data. Why you cannot see the data? Because we are in the report view. This is the data view. You have to click on the data, then you are able to see your data here. Right, in the report view, if you want to show this data to your audience, so this is the visualization, but visualization you will find out from the report view. Here I will show you only a simple example. In the next lesson we will deal in detail. So suppose if you want to show your GDP and if we want to show our years, so just select these data, then you will see about our GDP and our years. If you want to show to your audience with the line chart or the pie chart, this is just a simple example. This lesson was basically how you can import your clean data into a Power BI desktop. Meanwhile, practice it. See you in the next lesson. We will discuss more functions of the Power BI. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.